How to get rid of suggested posts on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Now, navigate to a post that says suggested for you, like this particular one, and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post. Then, find the option Not Interested from this menu. You will see the post has been removed. Then, tap on the option right here saying Don't Suggest Posts and then the name of the account. After that, the post will be removed from your newsfeed and you will get to see less posts similar to this. Alternatively, you can snooze suggested posts directly from your feed. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On this page, tap on the Settings menu at the top right corner. In the Settings page, go to Content Preferences. Toggle on the option Snooze Suggested Post. Unfortunately, there's no way to turn off suggested posts permanently, so you might need to repeat these steps every month.